This is not funny. This is not funny at all what is happening right now. And I will tell you, most of the people who's been around during the previous bull cycle now swing the fists full of benzodiazepines down their throat to manage the PTSD, to manage the anxiety. And in this video, I will tell you exactly what will happen in the coming months. Because you see, I'm the wise crypto YouTuber. I'm the research man. But what you need to know, I'm not the financial advisor, and either is Elon Musk. You see, the Elon Musk is rich because he's a great engineer. Elon Musk is not rich because he's a great investor. So then ask yourself, should I listen Elon Musk investment tips? Although he doesn't ever say it's a tip to invest, but you treat Elon Musk like he knows everything. If Elon Musk tweet about Doge, it means that Doge is the future, that Doge is going moon, like the Elon rockets. But we don't know. We don't know. You see, like Elon Musk didn't tweet about Dogecoin in the previous bull market. And maybe Dogecoin is the future, but I will tell you why this period is so dangerous. So let's jump to the graph. And at first, we're going to check the Bitcoin dominance over the market. If you ask yourself, what is the Bitcoin dominance? You see, the whole value of Bitcoin, how much of the total crypto market it is. And at this moment, it's around 50%. So Bitcoin is worth around 50% of all of the crypto market. But it's been going down drastically. And this is why it's so important, because we enter in the same very dangerous period that we entered before in the previous bull market. It was here. So back to 2017 March, look what happened. The Bitcoin dominance dropped from 85% all the way down to below 40%. And now what's happening now? Bitcoin dominance suddenly dropping. And you see overall Bitcoin dominance is lower because we also have more of the other cryptocurrencies right now, other blockchains. So it decreases the Bitcoin dominance. How low it can go? Can it go below 40%? Maybe. Maybe it will not. Can it go lower than 40%? Possibly, because as you can see, we have more of the other blockchains, we have more of the other projects. Could Ethereum flip Bitcoin at some point? Maybe it could. And you see, start with Ethereum. What will happen to Ethereum? Which is very interesting because Ethereum wasn't doing so much, although we get news left and right saying us the supply of Ethereum is low. It's telling us that soon the Ethereum will be burning the tokens, maybe in this summer, maybe delay. And what happened before? Ethereum actually had this major run a little bit later than some of the coins. And this is why I think it's quite interesting. You see people now jumping to Dogecoin and other coins, but Ethereum is actually, it dropped dominance over a few months. Which, of course, all of the crypto market is overvalued, but if we would compare the now Ethereum towards Bitcoin, it's strange. It's strange that Ethereum value is so low. But when you compare it, Ethereum peaked previously in the June. We are now in April. Could it do the same? Maybe. So when I want to talk, and you can see before on the graph how the Ethereum did. Ethereum before, it doesn't look like it's a lot, but you see from like February till April, Ethereum did over 5x, which is a lot. And it did here. It did a lot here. It did 5x. It looks like more, but it did 5x. And then, you see, since like April till June, it did over 5x again. So could it happen the same if we will have the market that behave the same? I don't want to say anything, but who knows? But you see, the fact that we are here, it's also super dangerous. And I opened some of the blockchain projects, some of the cryptocurrencies that's been around in the previous bull market because they are like perfect indicator of the coming danger. So on the example of XRP, on the example of Zaya Coin and Digibyte, because these are perfect example of the first crash that we had in 2017, everyone talk about like January 2018, and everyone is ignoring the first crash that happened that because it wasn't so big. But tell me, if you lose 80% of your money, is it not much? So look at the XRP. In this first leg, between March and June, and May, basically, let's see. So we have March till May, XRP did 50x. XRP did more between March and May 2017 than it did at the end. It did 15x at the end. It looks crazy, but actually, those who were here made far more money. And after that, between May and November, it was down. People were scared. People were leaving, and then someone was accumulating. That caused this massive spike. You see, these days, these coins that did these crazy moves back in March do a crazy moves right now. Zaya Coin, 80%. 24 hours. Digibyte, 50%, 24 hours. But when you look at the graph, these coins did the same crazy shit back then. Zaya Coin between March and June did 50x. And look what happened after. It crashed 80% between June and November. It crashed 80%. So if you are now in Zaya, if you invested before, you would be pretty stupid to not protect your money and do not escape. Because Zaya, you see, it might do 2x, it might do 5x from this point, it might do even 10x, but it's not going to go forever. If something did 20x or 50x, it's not going to do another 50x. You keep getting, like, you keep being trapped in the same shit. Zaya Coin will crash very soon. It might go high, but it will have bad crash. It will crash as it crashed before. You see, there's Digibyte. Look, it was even worse. Look how crazy it went, and look at this massive crash we had after. Of course, it's nothing to compare with the later crash, which was bigger. But this was the crash. So does it mean that it's still early and that in December it will go crazy? You see, it depends on the people. It depends on the sentiment. Because if it will crash badly, if it goes higher and will crash badly, the people will lose a lot of money and the sentiment will be negative. So maybe if a lot of retail money get burned now, maybe they will not want to come back later. But maybe they will. Maybe there will be accumulation. But I feel Digibyte, Zaya Coin, NEM, Stella, XRP are like the perfect indicators what is happening right now. And it's mirroring previous market. And I tell you, like, if you think it's easy to hold from here to here, it's not easy. You will say diamond hands. Diamond hands are a fucking bullshit. That's what I will tell you. It's so difficult to hold something when you see it dropping 20%, 10%, then more, and it's down 50% and 80%. It's so difficult to hold it. So you see, we are going to see something bad soon as the Bitcoin dominance will be decreasing. And all of these YouTube channels telling you, mentioning you some Bitcoin doing some shitty thing now. I don't see Bitcoin going up now for this period. The dominance been dropping for last months, and it will continue doing this. So don't listen that like there will be some breakout, because from these YouTubers, you know, these investor crypto YouTubers, I hear them for the past few months saying that Bitcoin is going to break out. It's not breaking out. So finish doing your video. And that's all I have to say. The brightest, smartest, highly intelligent crypto YouTuber here. Listen to me. Be careful. Don't lose your money. Hombre. Be sane. Remember, Elon Musk, not rich because he investor. He rich because he good at something. So maybe if you good at something, do something, not be investor. Till the next time.